Hello guys, first of all, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Nerf gun combo. So first of all, you're going to need a Praxis from the Vortex series. It's a very good gun, and this is why I'm using it for a sniper class. So, let's head on. Next, you're going to need the Raider stock from the gun, the Raider. Okay, alright. It's this gun. This giant gun with the drum mag. It's pretty sweet. So you're going to need to detach it from there, and you're going to want to put it on here. That. So then it looks like this. It looks cool so far, right? But now, we take the long shot scope. I put a belt around it to make it look cooler. Okay. And this is the long shot. And this is the belt that I was using for my scope. I just wrapped it around it simply. So yeah, you're gonna take the scope from this gun, long shot, or I like to call it the Reaper, because that's what it has that on its side, because I put it there. Duh. So now you're going to easily attach it to the gun, like so. Okay, so you have this. You're going to make it line up with these little thingies. Okay, one second. Okay. Now you're going to line it up with those things. I'm going to slide it in. So then it looks like this. This is my Nerf gun combination. I don't have a name for it yet, but I'll come up with a name. I hope you enjoyed and have fun sniping. Goodbye.